Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. Short day today, only until 1 p.m. And futures and market almost is just super flat. Nothing's going on. Most likely it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be a very low volume. The important thing that I wanted to note and point out was the dark blue bar on daily on all the indexes. That's really important. So so far market been running up non-stop, and 4 hours multi times we had golden crosses, news jumped it up, and daily MACD was just wide open. And finally, after I don't know, god knows, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we get dark blue bar on the daily TTM squeeze. And what does it mean? Let me show you two examples. The dark blue bar, when it shows on any time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time frame you're watching, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, it means a slowdown. It means it has three meanings. It either means slowdown in the rise up, or consolidation ahead, or turnaround. In this case, it's possible what's gonna happen is, because the weeklies are golden cross, it's maybe next few days we have one red day, but then it jumps up again because the deep buyers are super active. I'll show you two examples. You can see here Amazon on 11/16 got dark blue bar, and then look what happened. Like here, start jumping, start getting a big pullback, and then run up again because daily MACD didn't dead cross. And then another example is Microsoft. Microsoft got a dark blue bar on 11/16 again, and look what happened the next day. I mean, just example. I'm not saying next day to Monday market is gonna be red, but there is a possibility that pullbacks comes, then run up again. So until the daily MACD is not dead cross, still market is very bullish. And even if daily MACD dead crosses, there is still a lot of chance for jumps ups. And just this is a very cautious sign. On ES we got dark blue bar, on Dow Jones, NQ, RUT, everything we got dark blue bar. So yeah, that's just what I want to point out. Weekly MACD is golden cross, so overall market is very bullish. But just anytime there could be some news or whatever happens, just gotta be prepared. That's, I just want to point it out, that one. Anyhow, pre-market right now, 15 is downward, 30 is downward, 1 hour is downward. Market is too much flat, not expecting much to happen today. NQ, same, 5 is up, 1530 is upward. It's just yo-yo actions, and 1 hour and 4 hour, not a specific direction. And again, dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze. I love it that weekly is starting giving blue bar, so this is very bullish. Weekly MACD is golden cross on many indexes. If it stays golden cross next week too, it's possible to have a few months more of bullishness. Maybe December, January, and you never know. Most of the time, January, February, and March is bullish too. Dow Jones, same thing. We got dark blue bar. RUT, same thing. We got dark blue bar. And TNX, 1% higher, opening up today. So yeah, daily MACD is curving up a little bit. We got yellow bar there, 4 hours upward. If it gets above 45.74, then it can be not good. At any time, if it breaks 43.71, market can squeeze up higher. Wix, 2% higher, opening above 13.7. That's a critical level a little bit, and 13.7 is just a very major level. All time, and this year low was 1268. If it goes below that, market can get even more squeezy, and volatility can get even less. The lower VIX goes, the lower volatility we have. So VIX needs to be up for market to be volatile. But anyhow, pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hours golden cross, and daily bars are decreasing, yellow bar and decreasing. We still don't have a weekly stochastic fast golden cross. Once that happens, then it's a little bit warning sign. The SPX, the SPX, 44, 45, 77, 66. That's a key level to watch. Breaks that one, market can go for another breakout. For now, it's just yo-yo between 45.77.66 and 45.18.29. Most likely, it's gonna be between there until it breaks either way. Then you can have a bigger move for market. The Apple. Apple pre-market right now, it looks 31 hours downward, and it's all about 190, 190.08. If you can hold it, can reach a slower level. 191.7 needs to break to fly up. There's not much to do today. It's just 3.5 hours. Amazon is all about 148.3. Pre-market looking bullish, and it's gapping up like 50 cents. Half a point, 5 is up, 15 is up. If 30 MACD golden crosses, does have a chance for run up. 148.3, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one next week or today. Next key levels are 150, 154, 157.82. 150 at least should come next 2 weeks. Daily MACD is golden. Daily MACD is still upward. We got dark blue bar, but the weekly is getting much more bullish. Nvidia got news, and right now, to be honest, my suggestion, just avoid Nvidia. Premiums are getting crushed. Even yesterday, Wednesday, when market opens, puts jumped up crazy up because it pulled back very fast. The premiums was crushed because it opened flat, and then once it pulled back, the puts fly up crazy up. And then once it started recovery, the premiums started very choppy going up, and it was just very tricky to play. And right now, it's still in the choppiness. Gotta be cautious on it. Out of the monies and puts and calls, they both can still get crushed. Be very cautious unless there is a big move. And key levels to watch is 487 and 474. It breaks either one, can make a bigger move. Above 487.99, next levels are 489.38, 491.63, 493.88. That was a big wall on Friday, 493.88. So I'm sorry, on Wednesday. So if it breaks that one, can get really interesting. We got dark blue bar on the daily, so be cautious. It's possible to do some consolidation, then some catalyst and news that jumps it up higher. AVGO got dark blue bar on daily, so some slowdown there. Key level to watch is 976.96. Breaks that one, can go to the higher level. If it goes below 970 and 966, can move down bigger. BABA, nothing special going on there. It's just did some recovery. It's all about 79.65. If it can break that one, then can go for recovery. BIDU is strong, but BABA unfortunately is not. Daily and weekly are still very bearish. Netflix is on the fly up. This one wants 400, and daily is still bullish. We got light blue bar. And then weekly we got the golden cross, we got the light blue bar. It's very bullish signs. It may have some pullback, then run up again. So it did that last 2 weeks. So 479.94, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one. 482, 484.88 is the next target. If it goes below 474, next support is 471.68. Meta, it's trying to run up very slower. Weekly MACD is kind of on the edge to have a golden cross. RSI, I love it. That's going into the overbought zone. That's interesting, but 4 hours kind of flat. It's hovering around 341. It goes below, comes back to it. It goes above, comes back to it. It's just, this is like a magnet level for now. Needs to let it go. Next target is 343.11, 345.09. Once it breaks 345, then sky's the limit. Tesla. Daily is still bullish. We got a still yellow bar on the weekly, but news hit on 2 days ago on the price cut, and still people attacking Tesla. Right now is opening kind of flat, 1 point lower. So it's all about 230, That was just a key support last few weeks. If you watch here, every time it went below 230, it bounced back up. And what's interesting is 232 is the high of the day after previous earning. So 232 is kind of the levels that, it's trying to hold up. If at any point let it go, again, it can go all the way down to retest lower level, 226, 219, and 207. But for now, it's holding up, 232. So once it goes to those levels. But if it jumps up again, we're looking at 230, 235.7, 237.9. 4 hour, I don't like it that it's getting red bar, so be cautious on it. Pre-market right now, 1530 is upward. So we'll see the opening action. Again, 3 hours left today, so it's not much to do. But next week can be very interesting. Microsoft just hovering around all-time high. Pre-market right now, 515.30 is downward, so 376.99 if it can hold it, 375.76 next support. Below that, those are the levels. 4 hours dead cross. We got dark blue bar. Weekly, daily MACD is kind of flat for now, no clear direction, but weekly is very bullish. So if market gives a pullback, Microsoft can be one of the biggest candidates first to go lower. Just keep that in mind. Again, if it jumps up 378, 380, those are the key level to watch. Breaks 380. Next targets are 384, 386, 389. Google, finally it got to 140. It almost recovered all the earning losses. I kept saying last 4 or 5 weeks that Google is heading for earning recovery, and it sure completed it by Wednesday. And right now, 4 hour, we got dark blue bar, and daily was just very bullish. Right now, the bar is slowing down, so just keep that in mind. 140 is a tough level, and if it passes it, we're looking at 140.62, 142.67, 144.72. If it can resist, if it resists and doesn't passes, 137.92 is a key level to watch. If it passes that one, can go retest lower level 136.48, 135.59. AMD just hovering around there. 123.37, that's a key level for fly up. We got dark blue bar on daily. Weekly is still very bullish. 4 hour is still bullish. So it's all about 121.6, 123.37. If it passes anytime 120.37, then run up to the next level 124, 127, 129. It's been resisting to pass 123 for last few days. So it's all about 123.37. And the high of this season was 124.76. Passes that one can get really interesting. Boeing, the Boeing 220 is just hitting it and pulling back for last 2 days, and right now it passes 220.30.79. Next level is 223.2. That's a major level right now, showing some weaknesses on 31 hour and 4 hours, so it's possible some slowness there and up and down. If it goes below 218, then it can have a bigger pullback, but for now it's just up and down between these levels. Weekly is golden cross, I really love it. Daily is very bullish. Until they're not dark blue bar, don't expect a major pullback. SPY is just opening super flat. It's all about two levels to watch today: 454.48, 455.93. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move. Pre-market right now 15:30. 1 hour is downward, 4 hours is just kind of downward, but nothing special there, but just candles are kind of flat there. So if breaks 455.93, next level is 457.78. If it goes below 454.48, then supports are those levels. QQQ is just super flat, 390. If it runs up 390.65 is a key level to watch. Breaks that one, can run up to the higher level. And pre-market not clear direction, so if it for whatever reason news comes and wants to pull back, 387 is the next key level to watch. 387.33. That's pretty much it on the major names. Roku, we got dark blue bar on daily, so just keep that in mind there. PanW made a new high on Wednesday, and 268 new all-time high. Need to pass to 65.3 for run up again. If it goes below 261.53, can have more pullback. LRCX made a new all-time high. No, not all-time high. Made a new, I'm actually not sure. 728, it hit it on Wednesday. So daily is still upward, weekly is still upwards. Nvidia is affecting it a lot. As always, no volume on this pre-market. Bidu was a big runner on Wednesday. 122 if it passes, 123.93 and higher level. Coin, it's just people pouring in. That's then the Bitcoin run up. So 110.12, if you let it go, next targets are 113, 115, 117.8. What else you got here? ARM was a crazy run up on Wednesday, but right now it's cooling down. We got dark blue bar there on the 4 hour, 61.3. If you can't hold it, can retest back 60.41. Need to pass 61.85 for run up again, and get 15 and 30 MACD golden cross for run up. That's pretty much it. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, best of luck and thanks for tuning in, and happy weekend. Thank you. Happy shopping too.